Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. This is a Hazel and today we are diving into how to change keyboard on Android. Without any delay, let's get started. First of all, go to the settings. Here scroll down to additional settings. Then here you'll find the option of language and input. Tap on it. Here you'll find the current keyboard. So here I'm using the Gboard. So tap on it and here you'll find other options of keyboard to which you can change. So simply tap on that and go to the manage keyboards, and then there you have to disable other keyboards and enable those keyboards which you want to use. So by simply doing this, you can change the keyboard of your Android. So thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and hit the bell for the updates. That's all for today and I'll see you in the next one.